Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to dive into how to create WhatsApp sticker. Click on your Play Store and search WhatsApp sticker. Click on the first sponsored one. Installed. Then log into it. Click on the plus sign. Then allow all photo. Now you need to choose the image you want to use for your sticker. And then you can edit right here. Then if you want a template on it, okay, wow, hello, anyone you want there, you can add it on the sticker. This is 2025. You can zoom in or zoom out. After that, you can click on create. We are done. Then click on export. Now it will ask you, do you want to export it to WhatsApp or WhatsApp business? Choose anyone you want. Then click on add. Go to your WhatsApp to check. Then here is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.